Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a room tour of the Super 8 in Carlsbad, New Mexico, the single queen room, which is our smallest and cheapest room at the property. You have a single queen bed, nightstand and a chair, one of the cavern pictures on the wall. You have a desk with a coffee maker and a mirror and a dresser with a mini fridge, microwave, flat screen TV, ironing board and iron, and the bathroom, newly remodeled shower and tub. If you're in the Carlsbad, New Mexico area looking for a cheap room, check out the Super 8.